Welcome. Today going to show you live backtest video of our Spike Killer 7.5 version. This is our updated version of Spike system for boom and crush all pairs. It will show you all inputs and setting before start, how it looks. So let's see the video and check the accuracy of system. Thanks for watching. First of all, look here. Watch this arrow. The strong bull variant 7.5 minute 1 time frame. Index is chosen. Boom 300 index. Let's click on start. Check today date. It's display today date, and here it display backtest. Okay, this is strategy test. Look here in indicator navigator option. Indicator is 7.5 for boom and crash. Now let's get it started on inputs and show you the inputs. See here guys, this is very advanced, very powerful system for boom and crash all pair included in this. This is a filter for all pairs, cause the crash 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and the 300 pairs have different type of moving nature, algorithm, a grid brace, and a lot of more things can't explain. Okay, these things included in this, few indicator based and few other secret algorithm coding. So as you guys can see, here is my username with arrow I mentioned, Wix strategy. You guys can chat with our champ for more details. The mobile notification system also added in this email, and the MT5 notifications will pop up on your terminal. Let's click on start. Let's move on strategy tester. The backtest is started, present in this condition. Let's change the color so all will be visible to you guys. Look here guys, the market is moving. The system is showing arrows in past history. Let's keep going on. It will never give always signal, but when it gives signal with accuracy. Look here guys, here is an signal. Let me stop the test and show you with mark area. Look here, a signal, candle countdown, stop loss as I claimed 3 candles. So we made it definitely for 3 candles. It's going to be more good for 3 candle stop loss. No move, fake, non-rapid. Let me start again the backtest. Look here guys, after 3 candles, 2 multiple spikes, and made profit on this signal. Keep watching, one more signal just appeared, non-rapid, non-moving arrow. Let me mark the zone and show you who actually the 3 candles claim works. Here you guys can see after the signal the market is started going upward, and 2 multiple spike within 3 candles made profit. The test is started. As you guys can see here, the market is moving forward. Yep, it is working nicely, moving good. Let's keep it watching the video, waiting for signal. One more signal just appeared. Look here, after 3 candles the double spike appeared. So this is the power, this is the accuracy we claim. Again, one invisible spike appeared. Check the description for more details.